Hi, my name is Kyle, and I'm a software application specialist here at Redbeam, and welcome to another episode of our Redbeam Asset Tracking Knowledge Base video series. In this video, we'll be covering basic reporting. This video will go over the All Assets report and the Asset History report. For more detailed information and step-by-step instructions, please visit the link on the screen. After logging into Redbeam, we can access the reports by clicking on the Reporting tab on the left-hand side of the screen. The All Assets report will be the first report listed. The All Asset report provides you with all of the assets within the database and a list of filtering criteria over to the side. You can also save filters as either a shared or a personal filter and export reports into the following file types. To utilize the saved filter, we'll click on the Save Filter tab and click on the Sales Laptops Shared filter that we have. This will provide us with a list of all of the laptops within the sales department of our offices. Next, we'll move over to the Asset History report. The Asset History report serves as an audit history for all of the changes made to assets within the database. For example, I can use the filters to select a specific asset, a specific user, and a date and time period during which changes were made. So for example, I'm looking at all the changes made to asset 1000 by myself during this past week. These filters can also be saved and accessed via the Save Filter tab here. Thanks again for watching, and feel free to contact us using any of the methods seen on screen. See you next time.